How to plan a romantic picnic. Picnics are a great way to bond with your significant other. It gives you time to talk to a person intimately while remaining in touch with nature. However, for some people, figuring out how to make it romantic can be a challenge. Think of places your date enjoys. It's easy to be romantic if your date is in a location that they already like. Do they like the woods and being around nature, or would they rather be on the beach? Take all of these things into consideration before picking your location. Research your local parks. Try to find a bigger park that has wide open spaces. You probably want to set the picnic up in a field, so avoid overly wooded areas. Think of places where the weather would be comfortable. Check the weather in advance. Rain can ruin a picnic, so make sure you check the weather forecast before making any final plans. If there's a big chance of rain, don't risk it. Pick a different day that's convenient for both of you. Figure out a time for the picnic before it gets too dark outside. It may increase the romance if you plan your picnic around sunset, but make sure that you have enough time with your date before it gets really dark. Prepare a mess-free main course. Avoid overly heavy foods and keep it classy. Good choices for the main course include small sandwiches, fresh salad, or a baguette with specialty meats. Mediterranean foods are also great for romantic picnics. Prepare snacks to eat while you talk. Bring things you can snack on while you talk to your date. Think of snacks that don't require the use of any utensils like nuts, chocolate, a cheese plate, or olives. Pack some bubbly. You can pack champagne, non-alcoholic champagne, or even seltzer water in flutes for a picnic. If you're younger or need to drive, you should pick the non-alcoholic alternatives. Make a dessert to increase the romance. If you don't bake, you can pick up fresh cookies or specialty sweets like cannolis or chocolate croissants at a local bakery. Find an old-fashioned picnic basket. An old-fashioned picnic basket will add to the overall experience. You can find them at most home goods stores, or you can buy them online. Bring silverware and avoid plastic utensils. Plastic utensils come off tacky and cheap, so avoid using them unless you're on a budget. Even if you've brought finger food, remember you may need a knife to apply spreads or to cut cheese. Pack champagne glasses for your beverages. For an extra special touch, you can serve regular or non-alcoholic champagne in champagne flutes. While crystal flutes are the most formal, glass or even plastic ones are more appropriate for a special picnic. Bring a big, comfortable blanket to sit on. Your blanket should be big enough so you can both sit on it. Avoid white blankets since they can easily stain. Some blankets have a waterproof side which makes them perfect for wet grass. Bring trash bags for your litter. Picnics usually leave a lot of waste, and you don't want to destroy the beautiful environment that you just enjoyed. In addition, your date might not find it attractive that you litter if they're an environmentalist. Remember to bring napkins. It's not romantic to have a conversation when there's something on your mouth, because a lot of the food you brought is eaten with your hands. It could get messy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.